Setting up the stream. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Nice. Good. We're live. Yo, Len. What's up? Thanks for commenting. Welcome, welcome. I'm going to be checking out this AgentBoard.dev thing first of all. I think this was made by E2B Dev. Oh, we got MultiOn as well, which is covering some stuff. Yo, Nick, what's up? Thanks for the roses. How you doing? What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so they got Open Interpreter in the browser. I'm pretty sure this is by E2B Dev. Let me just Google AgentBoard Dev E2B. Yeah, looks like they made a post about it. Oh, I'm not following them. Now I am. Yeah, just on New Year's. Has anyone tried AgentBoard? Oh no, it's by Amir Rashid. You can play with open source agents in the browser. And it uses the E2B, it uses the E2B sandbox to run code and such. How did I get access to MultiOn? They just opened their beta program through their Discord. You can request access here. How did I find their Discord is another question. MultiOn Discord. MultiOn.ai. And then Discord. It's down the bottom. Yeah, I think they only started opening it recently, so jump in there, Discord, and ask for beta access. Yeah, I'll be trying it this stream, so it should be very, very exciting to try that. Yeah, we've all been waiting a while. It seems really promising. Can't wait to try it. But before that, I just wanted to do something with this Open Interpreter project on AgentBoard. So essentially what this should be able to do is run code in sandbox environment and do stuff. I'm not really sure what we can do. Let me think. I'm just double checking my Instagram as well. Oh yeah, Instagram looks good. Let's try download and okay, we'll probably just do something. Wait, what's list all the files in in the current working directory. Yeah, if we can list all the files, so it spins up like a kind of almost like a virtual environment for us that we can interact with. So we can say view the contents of server.py. Let's see what's in there. Can it make web pages? Does it connect to your file system? No, so this is like a sandbox environment. Oh, looks like there's a hello world server. Kill chat. Sandbox API key. Is the server.py running? I wonder, can it check what stuff is running? So yeah, grep. Yes, server.py is running with server.py. Oh, sweet. So it's a local host. How can I ping the running server from outside? Can it run code within it? Yeah. That is one of the features it's supposed to be able to do. Replace server IP with the IP address of the server. Okay. What is the IP address of the machine? Can it figure that out? Ooh, here we go. 16 point. So it actually gives you a running server, apparently. Let's try that. If we go port 8080, and there was a dash hello world / hello world. Hello world. No, that didn't work. Definitely 8080. What about if we don't put anything? Nope. Just 8080. No, so maybe we can't access it. Maybe there's some firewall stuff. I wonder if we can debug that. Looks like I can't reach the address. Are there some firewalls set up? Let's have a look. So it's running some commands to check if there's any firewalls set up. Oh, the commands aren't available. We need to run this. Does not have this package. Len has I have no idea what's happening. So this is, how can I explain this? Okay, so someone's made a web app where you can like interact with a server. Essentially, you can get it to write you code and run code without it having to run on your local machine. It's called AgentBoard.dev. Now I'm trying to think of like some good things to use with it. Can't really think of anything. I thought like if it had a server running, that would be super useful, because you could like make your own kind of APIs on the fly just with English text commands, but looks like we can't actually reach the supposed server, so maybe that's not the case. Vlad says my voice is too quiet on YouTube. You need to make it twice as loud. Okay. I think I can do that. Let's try boost. I think that's as far as it goes. Wait, hold on. I can turn the gain up as well. Well, that's not it. Hold on. Test. Hopefully that's better. Oh, wow. What the hell just happened here? Okay, I hope that's better. I think it might be too much. Hello, test. How's the audio now? Hopefully better. Seems like really loud in my headphones, but let me know if you want me to turn it down. Yo, thanks for the gifts, Nick. Any ideas for what to test with this? Let's see if we can process some CSV file of some sort. Find and download a CSV file from the internet. Do you reckon it can do this? Voodoo says LangChain or RAG. Not out of the box, I don't think. Or maybe under the hood, but example CSV file. Oh, apparently it opened it. What, is this even a thing? What the fuck? No. Yo, Overcheese sent a treasure box. Cool. Something long with your settings. Windows sound really loud. Your voice is quiet. Alright, let's test this. Let me see. Because it seems like the levels are good on my thing. Commands to check if there's any firewalls. Can it run code within it? Yeah. do stuff. I'm not really I think that's as far as it goes. Wait. Find and download a CS. Sounds good to me. I think maybe, yeah, the hold on, where was the treasure box sent? Let's compare it with the Windows sound. Not out of the box, I don't think. Or maybe under the hood, but example CSV file. I think that was fine. Thanks, Len. Yo, 102 roses from Nick and 75 from Len. Thanks so much. Yeah, I don't really have any ideas for what to do with this, but it's a cool idea in theory. AgentBoard dev. Let's see if ChatGPT can come up with any ideas. Can you think of I have a VM running where I can write and execute any code. Can you think of any cool ideas to show off its potential? Machine learning. That'll take way too long. Scrape data from websites. Yeah. Build a RESTful API. Interactive text game. Custom command line tools. Yeah, I don't know. None of these just sound too interesting. Is it just useless, you reckon? I don't know. Oh, whatever. Let's move on. That was AgentBoard. I think it's a cool like theory and concept. And I think the idea for this is you can change what agent you run. So this is the open interpreter project, but maybe next time you could run with, I don't know, like chat dev or something. But yeah. So I'm gonna move on to, let's do MultiOn. What everyone's been waiting for. MultiOn first try. Okay, so I installed the Chrome extension after I got access through their Discord. And this is kind of there's two tabs, like okay, so one kind of annoying thing, but I guess maybe it's just for testing is it better than Hyperwrite? Well, I haven't actually tested MultiOn yet, so I'm not sure. It seems pretty promising. It could be. I don't know. Hyperwrite has a lot of data though, so I feel like it's definitely going to be very competitive in the future for sure, because they're very early to market. They're gathering a lot of data, and they'll be able to fine tune things and just like utilize that data to make a better product. But yeah, one of the annoying things I was saying about MultiOn is every time you open a new tab, it opens a MultiOn page, which is good for now, but I can assume that'll be annoying in the future. They also have this settings tab that opens, and they give us a little tutorial here. You can complete your profile for personalized experience. So there's this notion of skills, which is something that Hyperwrite doesn't have. So I think it's like you can teach MultiOn about specific workflows. So maybe in situations where it can't figure it out by itself, you can use these skills to kind of teach it. And yeah. So you can give it personal information about yourself. I guess you can use that to do stuff. There's different AI modes, auto or step mode. I'm gonna go step mode, just so we can step through it and check how it works. Let's check out the skills. So there's no skills set up, but we can make a skill with a name, description, URL, rules, or you can keep adding rules. I guess that's how you add a skill. That's pretty simple. Great. Let's do a test. We'll go step mode. I always like to do the create an event in my calendar. Create an event in my Google Calendar today for today at 5 p.m. labeled hello world. This is kind of like a test I always do, and all of the public agents are able to do this. So yeah, so I'm assuming MultiOn will be able to too. Great, here we go. Great.
I'm navigating to the Google Calendar event creation page to create an event for today at 5 p.m. labeled hello world.
Wow, it even talks to you, and yeah, that created it so fast.
I am filling in the event title with hello world, setting the start time to 5 p.m., adjusting the end time to 6 p.m., adding the required signature in the description, and the event hello world for today at 5 p.m. has been successfully created in the Google Calendar.
Yeah, perfect.
The event hello world for today at 5 p.m. has already been successfully created in the Google Calendar.
Okay. First test, pass. I have a little sheet here that I was going to use to test these agents out. Rest in peace, Clickless Cage. Yeah, I know. Rest in peace. It's okay. Reply to emails. All right, before I do that, I'm going to make sure I don't dox any sensitive emails. I don't think I do have any. Let me check. There's no emails I want to reply to anyway, which is also a bit interesting. Oh, I can give it. So I have this. I'll show you guys this. I have this inbox specifically with all the like jobs that I've been applied to, and there are no replies. They're all no replies, so I don't really know. But like, I wonder if it can do something like, okay, I'm gonna make this new text, like summarize all emails in inbox. So for instance, I have all these jobs that I've applied to. I'm gonna say, can it go through each one and give me make a list of all the names of jobs that I've been applied to, kind of thing. Go through my email inbox at this and make a list of all the jobs I've been applied to. Let's see if you can do that. Cool, it's gone to the right URL.
I am navigating to the user's Gmail inbox, specifically to the label job apps, to make a list of all the jobs they've applied to.
Okay, that's good. It's gone to the site. Now what? I think I need to press step. No? Can't press step. I think it's still thinking because it's got this pause button, so I'll just let it think. It would be nice if it had some information. Some more information would have been nice. Did it get stuck? I don't know. Should we? It says agent 0, so maybe we can make multiple agents as well. Erdem, hey bro, how you doing? Maybe we could restart it. Oh no, we can't even press restart. We can only press pause. I'm gonna let it keep thinking while we think of maybe we can run multiple agents. So let's make a tweet saying trying MultiOn for the first time. So far so good. Do it. Do you know app development? So are you from the industry? Yeah, I've done a bit of app development. I'm mostly a web
I am navigating to
developer.
Twitter's tweet composition page to make a tweet with the specified message.
Nice. Why do they get stuck at the second step? It did the first one really well, but it seems they're getting stuck at this second step. I'm not sure exactly why. All right, I'm gonna pause this one and maybe we can press step. Will that do anything? Nope. Oh, nice. Based on the current browser content, here's a list of jobs. High touch, Lumos. Oh, perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Excellent.
Based on the current browser content, here is the list of jobs you've applied to. 1. High Touch 2, Lumos 3. Redwood Materials 4, Palumi Corporation 5, Rootly 6, Behavivox 7. 15, Gold Belly, Senior Machine Learning Engineer 16. Assembled 17, Teeds TV 18, Halcyon.
So that's good. That's going to get a tick for summarize emails in an inbox. Now I want to see if it can, we're going to move this here. Store information. Now I think on the Discord I read that it can't store information, like it can't interact with Google Docs or Google Sheets. But what about email? Okay, what about, we could be like, email this list to, and then I'll just give it my own email. Let's see if you can do that. So the cool thing is you can have a chat with it. So, wow, look, it's composing an email, although it hasn't said anything. I can move this, right? Yeah, nice. It's gonna probably talk to me now. Here we go. I'm composing an email.
I'm composing an email to Arash at apricot.io with the list of jobs the user has applied to, including the required signature, and then sending the email.
Great. Do it. But for some reason it seems to get stuck at points, but it seems like you can just easily get around that by pressing pause and then step. And then it kind of manually goes to the next step. And I think it's, yeah, see, here's a list of jobs I've applied to, and then boom, perfectly gives out that list. Sent by my personal AI. Oh, but cool, look, now we have an
I am
error.
typing the recipient's email address, the subject of the email, and the body of the email, which includes the list of jobs applied to and the required signature. Then I'm sending the email by clicking the send button.
I wonder if it's gonna figure out that there was an error. We can just press pause and step to get it to figure that out. The error is missing, but it hasn't said anything yet. So it knows it has to type the recipient's email address, which is good, but it doesn't look like it's doing it. For some reason. I think we just have to keep manually stepping this. Maybe that's because I put it on manual step mode, maybe? Probably. No, same error. It looks like it tried to click send again. So we can give it a thumbs down here. I'm typing the recipient's email into the to field and then clicking the send button. That's perfectly what it needs to do. But it seems like it forgot to get rid of the email, the error this time, sorry. Then it says, looks like it's trying to input the email before clicking the OK. Yeah, that's the issue now. Yeah, that is the issue now. So we're gonna thumbs that down as well, step it again, and see what it does this third time. I feel like it seems like it's trying different things, which is really good. I have had issues with agents before where they failed and they retry the same thing that they just failed at. But it's good. It seems like this one is doing different things. Okay,
I am acknowledging the error message by clicking the OK button, then typing the recipient's email address into the To field and finally clicking the Send button to send the email with the list of job applications.
Yeah, that thought process is perfect, but it seems like in execution it's not actually able to do that. Dennis says maybe you can't input the email because the modal's up. Yeah, I think that was the issue on the previous attempt. Although on this attempt it's successfully gotten rid of the OK, like the modal, but I don't know. I think it might be stuck, so we're just gonna pause and step again. Yeah, so close but so far. I mean, it's gotten damn. All right, we're just gonna, let's see if we can, there was a way to end this. I'm gonna play this, hopefully maybe it'll work this time. No. Maybe it's because this isn't a To field. Oh, when you click it, it's a To, it says To, but when you don't, it just says recipients. I'm not sure. Is there a way to give feedback on this? Doesn't look like it. Damn. Okay, well that almost worked. Almost, very close. I think it can send an email. Anyway, I'm pretty sure we'll test it just sending an email from scratch next time. But let's go to this tweet thing and then we'll just manually step through this to see if we can send a tweet. Trying MultiOn for the first time, so far so good. Looks like it did. Let's
I am typing
check.
the specified message into the tweet composition box and then posting the tweet.
Yeah, posted the tweet. Perfect. Whoa. I don't know what happened to the UI. What happens if I go next step?
The tweet trying MultiOn for the first time, so far so good, has been successfully posted.
Perfect. That was good. So is that something I had on here? We'll add tweet. Yep, it was able to tweet. So that's good. Gonna add a column to the right, being like send email. I'm pretty sure it'll be able to send an email. Send an email to Arash with the content, was nice to meet you today. Let's see. Yo, Tipo, what's up? Okay, it's gone to my
I am navigating
email.
to Gmail to compose a new email to send to Arash at apricot.io with the specified message content.
Good. Do it. Nice. It successfully put my email address in. I knew it would. That's great.
I'm typing the recipient's email address.
I'm going to do it on auto mode next time so I don't have to keep manually stepping. The email was successfully sent. Perfect.
The email to Arash at apricot.io with the contents was nice to meet you today has been sent successfully.
Oh, I didn't get the email.
The email to Arash at apricot.io with the contents was nice to meet you today has been sent successfully.
No. Oh, I'm on the wrong email. Nice. Nice to meet you. Perfect. Great. So that is a win as well. Okay, store information. I want to see if we can store information in another way. So it's kind of like I want to do a research peer-reviewed articles. Let's test this first. So I'm going to say find the latest paper on archive. How do you spell archive? Archive. Can you search like LLM? Yeah. Is this getting the most? Nice. Okay. Archive. Find the latest paper on archive about large language models. I'm gonna do it on auto this time. See how it goes. What is this tool? This is MultiOn. Yo, retros, what's happening? Yeah, so this is...
I am navigating to the Arxiv advanced search page to find the latest paper on large language models.
This is like one of the best performing web browsing agents, I think. Yeah, I've been really impressed by it so far. Although I've put it on auto mode, but it still looks like I need to keep stepping manually. I'm going to keep it there for a second, but it's pretty fast otherwise. Yo, Mr. T, good to see you. How you doing? Jumbly, good to see you as well. Yeah, it seems like every step I need to kind of press pause and step. I hope me changing the width didn't mess it up. Nice. It searched large language models.
I'm
I like the
typing large
voice as
language
well.
models into the search term input, selecting the computer science category, ensuring the search is sorted by the most recent submission date, and then initiating the search to find the latest paper on large language models.
Great. Step. Working hard or hardly working? Yeah, a bit of both.
The latest paper on Arxiv about large language models is titled Large Language Models, and the authors are Michelle Lowe, Shaby Cohen, and Fazl Perez. The paper's Arxiv identifier is Arxiv 2401.01814.
Awesome. Now, so able to research this. Well, we got the title. Let's just say find peer-reviewed articles. Find paper on Arxiv. Let's see if we can like store this to a Notion. Can you store this information in a new Notion page? Can it do that? Let's see. Am I good at designing like graphics and mobile apps? Not really. I wouldn't.
Please
say I'm
provide the
that good.
login credentials for Notion or grant access to the Notion API for creating a new page.
Ooh, okay. You are already logged in. Navigate to Notion and create a new page. So if it can't do this, I might try the start teaching feature. Oh no, here we go. It's navigated to Notion.
I am navigating to the Notion website to create a new page as per the given objective.
Good. Let's see. Now what? Is it gonna create a page? I think I have to keep stepping it. Trying to find a partner for an app, but I don't know nothing about mobile app design. So what I do,
I'm
Mr.
clicking on
T,
the Click to Add Below button to create a new page in Notion as per the given objective.
what I do is I go to the Figma community designs and I find one that I like, and it's kind of pretty easy to edit stuff in Figma. That's kind of like the way I do it. Or combining multiple designs. Or even like dribble.com.
I'm clicking on the page
inspiration.
option to create a new page in Notion as per the given objective.
It's pretty good, like it's doing it. The only issue is it's under
I am clicking on empty page to start writing the content of the new Notion page as per the system rules.
Yeah, there's some plugins that help Figma output to code.
I am typing the title of the new Notion page and then clicking on the page to save the title. After that, I'm typing the details of the latest paper on large language models into the body of the document.
Technically did it, but not to the best. I think there's a few things that got wrong, so I don't know. I'll have to figure out a way to give it a half score. Oh my god, it typed it twice.
I am typing the title of the new Notion page and then clicking on the page to save the title.
It's kind of gone in a loop, it seems.
I am creating a new page in Notion with...
How many times is it gonna loop? Because that start teaching button doesn't come until we okay, so this is actually a good opportunity for us to test test the skills, right? So if you go here, we can create a skill, and we're gonna call this skill create save data in Notion. Saves data in new Notion page. We'll give it the URL notion.com. Rules. So when we go, let's do notion.com. Oh, it's .so. Notion.so. I mean, I guess it reroutes or whatever. Notion.so. Oh, it always goes to the last page you had open. That's interesting. So how do we even create a new page? Oh, there's that button. Click new page button on left sidebar first. Make sure to put contents in body separate from title. Alright, so we just created a new skill. Now let's see, with this new skill, if we try something similar again, will it be better? So let's say find the latest paper on large language models on archive, and then save it to a new Notion page. Sorry. Let's see. Yo, Gazilla. How did I get the Chrome extension? They are in beta. You have to go through their Discord.
I'm navigating to the Arxiv advanced search page to find the latest paper on large language models.
To request their beta. Is this only for Mac? No, this is a Chrome extension, so it'll be able to be on wherever you have Chrome, Mac, I'm on Windows right now. Or whatever. Hopefully Rabbit AI is better, says Cataclysm. I haven't heard of Rabbit AI. What's Rabbit AI?
I'm typing large language models into the search term input, selecting the computer science category, ensuring the search is sorted by the most recent submission date, and then initiating the search to find the latest papers on large language models.
Good. Yeah, I think we can talk to it if I press the mic button or if I use just the Windows H.
I'm clicking on the link to the latest paper on large language models to access its details and potentially download it. I'm clicking on the download PDF link to download the latest paper on large language models from Arxiv.
Oh, it's downloading it. I didn't really want it to do that. Oh, I guess we can give it feedback. Actually, didn't think of that.
Please provide the URL of your Notion workspace where you would like to save the paper.
Oh, it's asking. Use the Notion skill to save data. Can it? Oh, it didn't even. Oh, here we go. No, it still needs a URL. All right, let's say start teaching. Interact with the browser. If I press new tab though, or what if I go notion.so? Oh. Okay, it's still teaching. New page. Title. Data here. Finish teaching. Save the data to a new page. Oh, typo there. Oh, nice. Now it learned.
I'm clicking on the New Page button as per the user rules to create a new page in Notion where the data can be saved.
Nice.
I'm a new page.
Oops, I accidentally stopped that. A bit early.
I'm clicking on the New Page button to create a new page in Notion, following the user rules to save data to.
Stuck in a loop. It'd be good if we could like start teaching from a certain point instead of just when the task is assumed finish. So I'm gonna write that in. It's like prompt results, but I just wanted to kind of put some feedback. It would be good if we could initiate the start teaching from other points, from points where we think it needs help, instead of just when the flow is assumed finished. Let's have a look at the good results, see what other people have been having good results with. WhatsApp automation, cool. I don't know if this will be good, probably too big. Oh, we have a Zoom. Oh man, okay, here we go. This doesn't even play. What is this? Please go to blank page and write hello world. Yo, Raz Patel, we're just testing out this web automation AI. Blanked up page. Oh, maybe we should try saving the data there. Can it read a PDF? I don't know if it could. Let's give it a PDF, for example. Blanked up page. Is this just a page where you can start typing? Okay, cool. Let's see if it can write this to a blank page. Read the document at this and write the summary to blanked up page. HTTP blanked up page. Let's see. Can it do this? Can it read a PDF and summarize it to a blank page? Okay, it's navigating.
I'm navigating to the URL of the document that needs to
be summarized.
Please provide the summary of the document located at https://arxiv.org/pdf/240101862.pdf, as I'm unable to read PDF files.
That's a good thing. Read PDF file. Unable to read a PDF file. Interact with Notion or Google Doc. This is kind of like a no. Not really. Okay. Let's say summarize the latest posts on subreddit r/local llama. Is that r/local llama? Yep. And post this and write the summary on http blank.page. Okay. Your screen is small on TikTok. Apologies. Alright, we're gonna go big screen.
I am navigating to the subreddit r/local llama to summarize the latest posts.
We're gonna get off. Insta. Okay. Did it do it? Oops.
I am retrieving the content of the latest posts on the subreddit r/local llama to create a summary. The content is from a subreddit dedicated to discussing llama, a large language.
And then, oh, it's gone a blank page.
I'm navigating to http://blank.page to write the summary of the latest posts on the.
Good. Now write it. Cool. So it did write to blank page. It didn't exactly summarize the post.
I'm typing the summary of the latest posts from the subreddit r/local llama into the text input field on http://blank.page.
That's pretty much like 80% of what I asked for. Is that a criteria here? Insert column to write. Summarize web page. Yes. Write to blank.page. Yes. Edit stored information. Ooh, that's a good one. Let's try that. Navigate to http blank.page. Is that how you do http? :// and edit the contents to be in dot points. Let's see if we can do that. Auto mode, please. Oh, I'm still zoomed. Oh my god, sorry guys. Oops.
I am navigating to the
is that what you
specified
meant, Nick?
URL to edit
My
the
bad.
contents to be in dot points as per the objective.
My bad for being zoomed. Okay, so it did write these this thing. Journal entry, right? My big hater. Yo, thank you. How you doing? Bro, for a software engineer, you're not very good at identifying when I'm coding or not. You think I'm always coding, but I'm like barely ever coding. You need a reality check because this isn't coding. Oh my god, facepalm, bro. Shouts out journal entry bot. Okay, so I didn't edit this to be in dot points by adding a hyphen to the end. Rewrite the whole text so that there is only dot points separated on new lines, please. Do journal entry, but I'm sure you're like actually a really good content creator. I'd love to hear some tips from you.
I am rewriting the text in the input field to only contain dot points separated on new lines as per the objective.
Is this using GPT-4? I think so. I don't think they actually say, but yeah, I'd assume so. Oh, nice. So it didn't rewrite the text, but yeah. So I think that's gonna get a no for editing text. Is it gonna say it's finished now? Oh, it rewrote it. Oh, I take that back. I take that back. That is a yes. Very nice. Very nice. I'm clearing the existing text and typing the content into the field. Perfect. The new objective of having only dot points.
I am clearing the existing text and typing the content into...
Good. Now what? Now will it say it's finished? Yeah. Perfect.
The text has already been rewritten to only contain dot points separated on new lines as per the objective.
Read stored information. It surely is able to do that. It's kind of read the web page. Read/summarize web page. Specific workflow training. Yeah, I mean, it does provide that. Orchestrate swarm. Now, I don't think it'll be able to do this. If I'm like, how could I give a task? Can we make two processes that read the subreddit local llama and summarize the latest post and write them on http blank.page. I don't think you can like make two processes. I don't know how else to word that, but from what I've seen, it only can make one. Yeah.
I'm navigating to the subreddit r/localllama to retrieve and summarize the latest post.
Yeah, it's only like one single tab at a time. But I mean, we could manually make two tabs, I guess. But that's fine. So it's kind of like a no for orchestrate swarm. I guess it kind of can do Reddit. Let's get it to interact with Reddit, like make a post on Reddit. Reply to the latest post on subreddit r/local llama. Reply to the latest post. Wait, leave a comment on the latest post, replying to the original post or another comment. I don't know. I guess, yeah. Is that too vague? Potentially.
I'm navigating to the subreddit r/localllama sorted by new posts to find the latest post and leave a comment as per the objective.
I typed it wrong. There's 3 L's. Local llama. It's pretty cool. Like, I didn't have to put in my API key, so this has all been free. Shout out to MultiOn. I wonder if they do use GPT-4.
I'm navigating to the subreddit r/localllama to find the latest post and leave a comment as per the objective.
Okay, good.
I am clicking on the comments link of the latest post to navigate to the comment section where I can leave a comment.
Nice.
I am typing a comment in response to the latest post on the subreddit r/local llama and then clicking the comment button to post it.
This is a fascinating discussion. Looking forward to see how the odds improve over time. That's funny. Clouds in Oakland has my back. Yeah, don't worry about journal entry. They always come here and talk about how no one wants to see coding. You know, each to their own. I think they just like hating, you know, it's like one of them troll things. Yeah, that was great. So that works. Reddit gets a tick. Let's see, can it do TikTok? Go to the TikTok page for TechFriend, find a video and reply to any comment on the video. Now TikTok has a bunch of like bot checking things, so I wonder if a capture will pop up.
I'm navigating to the TikTok page for the user at TechFriend to find a video and reply to a comment on that video.
Nice. Do it. Said this one was advertised at $400K a year, which is ridiculous.
I'm clicking on a video titled Application Process for $400K AI Engineer Role to view it and find a comment to reply to.
Nice. Continue. Oh, it's
I'm
replying
clicking
to
the
Trump.
reply button to respond to a comment on the video.
Nice. Let's see what it says. It's replying to Trump here. He was calling out my code, saying my code was non-proficient. That's
I am typing a reply to a comment on the video and then posting it.
Thoughts. I love that. That's a great response. Hell yeah. I'm gonna like my own comment as well. Alright, that's a big W for TikTok. Alright, what about Instagram? Go to the Instagram page for TechFriend, find any post and reply to a comment on the post. Yo, Plus Jobs, what's up? Still haven't emailed me.
I am navigating to the Instagram page for TechFriend to find a post and reply to a comment on it.
Nice. Oh, I gotta keep pressing continue, I keep forgetting.
I'm clicking on a post by a TechFriend to find a comment to reply to.
Okay. It's the first post.
I'm clicking on the reply button.
Mm-hmm. It's over here if you guys can't see it. Oh shit, accidentally. Nice.
I'm clicking on the reply button next to a comment to initiate a reply, typing a test reply into the input field and then clicking post to submit the reply.
I mean, yeah, technically it worked. So that's pretty good. Like it passed everything except for orchestrate swarm and read PDF file. Very impressed by MultiOn. Yeah, actually this whole Google Doc, if they enable Google Doc writing, it would be awesome as well. Let me just double check the Google Doc doesn't work. I'm pretty sure they've said that it can't work with Google Doc, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. Write an essay about pineapples on pizza in a Google Doc. This is like open interpreter for the web? Kinda. Oh, this worked really well.
I'm navigating to Google Docs to create a new document where the essay about pineapples on pizza can be written.
This is gonna work. I don't know why I thought it wouldn't work. We
We
don't
don't
support
support Google
Docs,
Docs currently. Please write the essay about pineapples on pizza in a Google Doc manually.
Yeah, for some reason they don't support Google Docs, so. Yeah, that was cool. Let's find the URL for that. MultiOn.ai. Sweet. So TaxyAI is an open source one. I don't know if I'll test that out, but I kind of do want to test out Agency Swarm. But okay, so the thing, Agency Swarm looks so cool. Like one of the biggest things about it is, Agency Swarm is it's open source, which is awesome. So a lot of people can extend it. They have like really easy ways to create tools with LangChain. Like in just one line, you can like import any LangChain tool and use it with it. The biggest issue I have with it is it uses Selenium and it's not a Chrome extension, so it doesn't have you logged in with everything. So everything with MultiOn was really easy because I'm already logged into TikTok, I'm already logged into Twitter, I'm already logged into Instagram. So I've bypassed all the bot detection stuff for the first round with that. Whereas if you try to use Selenium and log in on like any of these websites, you're going to get hit with a CAPTCHA and like all these bot detection stuff. So it just really limits it. But like this Agency Swarm, otherwise, other than that one thing, it's really cool because you can have a swarm, you can orchestrate multiple agents. It does a whole bunch of other things. These tools will probably make us able to read PDF files. It runs off your local file system, so you know you can save files, upload files. Those are the big advantages of it. But just the whole not having your cookies is a big deal breaker for me. Yo, plus jobs. Nice. Excellent. I'm really looking forward to your email. Tibalt says, can it use Perplexity? Yeah, probably. Do you have something that you want me to try? Should we see search for the health benefits and concerns for caffeine? Is that how you spell caffeine? Using perplexity.ai.
I am navigating to the Perplexity.ai website to search for the health benefits and concerns for caffeine as per the given objective.
Good. Let's see.
I'm navigating to the Perplexity.ai website to search for the health benefits and concerns for caffeine as per the given objective. I'm typing the query health benefits and concerns for caffeine into the search input.
I wonder if you're just going to read out the health benefits and concerns for me. Yeah, it is. It's going to do it right now. Excellent. So I could just be in bed talking to this thing and being like,
the health benefits of caffeine include increased alertness, energy, and concentration at low to moderate doses. It may also protect cells in the brain, act as an antidepressant, and promote aspects, so moderate intake is advised, especially for sensitive groups.
Yeah, that's awesome. It'd be really good if they just like, what would make this tool perfect is like a file system plugin. So it can take all of this research, store it in like a sheet, a Google Sheet, a Google Doc, and be able to keep referencing this sheet, editing this sheet, and you know, building the research. I think that would make this tool really awesome. But yeah, shout out to MultiOn. I know Div, Garg, I'm not sure who else is working on this, but really awesome tool. Really pleased with that. Like it pretty much did everything that I thought it could. I knew from the start they did a really good job by saying like, you know, we're just not even going to bother saying we can do Google Docs for some reason. I'm not sure why that is so difficult for it to do, but they don't support it. And yeah, but like pretty much everything else it was able to do really well. Ask him to do a search about the best way to do a WhatsApp bot. Yeah, I reckon it'll be able to do that, no problem. It's just, it's not going to be able to help you make it, but it can Google, it can search Perplexity, it can read out the results. Like that's already been proven. Yeah, I want to test it out with Hyperwrite, but I don't want to pay for Hyperwrite, so I'm going to try to get some free credits and compare Hyperwrite and see how it compares. I feel like Hyperwrite will be able to do most of these as well. But yeah, we'll find out. Taxi AI we could also test. I think I could just do that now, I guess, might as well. So Taxi AI is open source, guys, so that's one of the benefits of Taxi AI. But I think its actual abilities is going to be a lot worse than whatever we were just using. MultiOn. Oh, we also have Minion AI. True. Oh, let's try that as well. Okay, we're definitely going to Minion AI test that. Maybe afterwards. But let's try Taxi AI first. So I think to run Taxi AI, what do we have to do? Installing and running, installing the section, running in your browser. Command Shift Y. Here we go. Okay. So make an event in my calendar for 7 p.m. That's the first test we did. And you get to choose what model you want. GPT-4 is obviously the smartest. Cannot extend. I think we have to have the Chrome debugger open. Is that right? Try that again. No. Maybe we have to do it from here. What? Maybe we do it from here. Oh, actually, yes. That's one of the things with Taxi is you actually have to have it open on the page already. Yes, that is one of the comments. But yeah, look, it's clicking the buttons. It's kind of slow, but I think it's able to do this task at least. Let's see. Yeah, another thing about MultiOn was it was so fast. I was actually really surprised with how fast it was. Do you have the reference or a link to that Google Doc with agents handy? I searched X, I can't find it. Yeah, it's on my Discord, but I can. It's also on the last. You mean the one I showed yesterday? It's in the description. Ooh, it failed. Hold on, let me help Steve Jobs out here. Where's my channel? Are you talking about, if you go to my last video on the live, this AI agent sheet? Whoa. Okay, maybe it wasn't Night Cafe. Yeah, it's in the description. Oh, so yeah, it failed at setting the time. I'll give it one more go, because if it fails at this, it's not a good sign, and I probably won't test it out further. Oops. What? It's clicked on an event that we already have. No, this is a fail. Not even gonna bother testing that further. But it is open source, so you can extend it. And my one clickless cage also not very good. But yeah, keen to test out Hyperwrite Assistant, how it compares. Let's do Minion AI. I'm pretty sure I have it here. Pretty sure we can test that right now, correct? Minion AI? Let me pin it. Ooh, actually, oh, Minion AI also is one of the ones where I think you have to be on the page. So it doesn't navigate to the page for you, but you can still, yeah, once you're on it, it's down here. You can just be like, create an event in my calendar at 5 p.m. labeled Hello World. How about instead of 5 p.m. we'll do 6 p.m. because we already have one at 5 p.m. Nice. Yeah, Minion AI looks like it's working really well. I need to start making separate Google accounts and stuff so I don't keep doxing my whole life. It's not a problem at the moment, but I've seen, like, you know, the big streamers, how they get swatted and shit. It's pretty, I would not want that. But yeah, I guess I'm too lazy at the moment, but you know, whatever. Job says, I didn't like that I couldn't move it around to new positions. Maybe they added that feature. With which one? I could move, yeah, I can't move out Minion, but I could move around. What was the other one? What did we just use? MultiOn. MultiOn enabled us to move around. Cloud says, I really need to keep my calendars on track in 2024. Yeah, same. I've created the event. Well, it didn't actually click save, but it did everything else. So I guess, I don't know. I want to give it one more attempt. Create an event on Thursday 6:30 a.m. labeled test. Yo, Z, Happy New Year. Thank you so much. How are you doing? Among Us, is there any AI tools you use daily? ChatGPT, baby. Yeah, I use ChatGPT so much, especially on the phone. Like, they have that feature. Whoa. Why did this navigate to a new tab? On the phone, they have a feature that you can talk to it. So I have, like, my headphones or my glasses now, and I just, like, talk to ChatGPT while I'm on a walk. It's really interesting. Yash says, so far, which agent framework is the best for website automation? Yeah, I just tested out MultiOn AI, and it's been really good. It pretty much did everything that I wanted, except for being able to write to a Google Doc. Also couldn't read a PDF file, but I didn't expect it to. It also didn't orchestrate a stream, but I didn't expect it to. Unfortunately, we're going to have to give a no for creating a Google Calendar in Minion AI. All right, let's give it the next test, and that was to summarize all these emails. Like I says, I didn't know it could do that on the phone. Yeah, on the app, Android and iOS, you can have it talk to you, which is really helpful. Like, just hands-free while you're on a walk. It's just like talking to like a really smart person. You can ask it questions about anything. Okay. List the companies which I have applied for jobs for in my inbox. So I asked this for MultiOn, and it was able to do it really well. Let's see if Minion can do it. Plushjob says, on the waitlist for Copilot voice today. Nice. Is that the Bing Copilot? It wasn't really very good from what I've heard. But it's free GPT-4, which is really cool. Minion AI is glued in place. Yeah, it is. It's pretty annoying. When I want more concise, less verbose, and non-technical answers, I use Pi. Oh, really? The audio never cuts off and always catches a question, but non-technical only. Thank you for applying. What did I use to run all these applications? Yeah, I signed up to Massive. I'll show you guys in a sec. Here are the companies that you've applied for. Oh, cool. I mean, it only listed 5 of them, but that's pretty cool. Oh, and you can click them, and it gives you more information about the ones you've applied to. Yeah, so who asked that question? Gazilla. I don't know if you saw it, but I use this service usemassive.com, which automatically applies to jobs for you, which is really sick. So I mean, it's sick that it does it, but I haven't gotten any interviews. I've applied to like over 100 jobs just by like, you just put in your details, and you can like manually apply here, but yeah, it automatically applies to 50 jobs a week for you. Yeah, it's really cool. They're all like really high quality companies, you know, that you've probably heard of, like Jasper, Airspeed, Atticus. Haven't heard of them, but like it applied me for like Discord and like just these, like, you know, they've vetted all the companies kind of thing is what I'm trying to say. Is it free? No, it's actually kind of expensive. I think it's like $40 a month, but I do have a discount code if you use TechFriend23. I don't know if it still works, but you get 30% off, I think. Yeah, if you're interested. TechFriend23. Okay, so it was able to summarize most of my emails, so that's good. Can it send a tweet? Let's go to Twitter. Post a tweet saying, now I'm testing Minion AI. Ooh, scandalous. Yep, it was able to do that, I think. Well, can it hit the post button? Can it hit the post button? Yes. Cool. Okay, so that worked. Give that a tick. Send email. Right. Send an email to arash.apricot. arash.apricot.io with this list. With this information. Can it get the information from a chat and send it in an email? Let's see. It's looking like it's doing well. Any good Flutter AI tools or an Android Studio ChatGPT plugin that can understand project context? I'm not sure. I don't use Flutter or Android Studio. Whoa. What is Matan Abrahamovich? Okay, no, that's not good. All right, let's just give it a blank slate. Let's give it a blank slate and just be like, oh, what the hell? Clear conversation. Write an email to arash.apricot. arash.apricot.io titled, hey, with the contents. Nice to meet you. Let's see. Compose. Nice. Okay. What? It writes my email, but it somehow goes to this Matan Abrahamovich. What the hell? No, don't send it. Don't send it. Don't send it. Don't send it. Oh, don't send it. Oh, shit. Ah! Alright, that was a fail. Find a paper on archive. Okay. It's kind of annoying that we have to like manually navigate to the site. TechFriend23, yeah, that's correct, Gazilla. Find the latest paper on large language models. Cloud says they also use Pi for non-technical things. So it's better for non-technical things, is it? Like for therapy and stuff, would it be better? That's what I've heard its like strong point is. Moga says the way it knows to click the buttons, is it hard coded or each side, or is it still AI? No, yeah, it's using AI to analyze the page and determine a plan, I think. Okay, so that failed as well. So Minion not doing too good. Interact with Google Doc. Ooh, here is something that it could be better at. So if we go to here, this is going to be so easy for it, I hope. Write an essay about pineapples on pizza in this document. For some reason it's clicked show document outline. Okay, and then it's clicked it again to close it. I'm sorry, but it seems like the document outline is not displayed. How would you like to proceed with the essay? Start writing. Oh shit, I typed writing wrong. Yo, Gold Key, thank you for the follow. Sure, I can help you with that. Before I start, could you please let me know your opinion on pineapples and pizza? I like it. Oh, nice. It renamed the title. Essay about pineapples on pizza. That's good. Now can it write the contents? That's the moment of truth. That's what we want to know. Great, I'll start writing the essay. How many words? 500 words. It's just a nice short essay. The current word count is 0. I will provide periodic updates as I write the essay. Okay. But it didn't write. I'm gonna start writing the content. Oh, I feel like because the actual thing isn't an input field, it struggles to write there. It just tries to write it in the title, right? The introduction. Yeah, okay. I think that's a fail as well. So I guess it can't interact with Google Doc. Has to probably remove Notion. Right in Google Doc. Okay, read PDF file. Let's see, can it read a PDF file? I guess. Oh, it can. Can you read the contents of this document and give a summary? Oh, it can. That's pretty good. So there, finally, it has something over MultiOn. I think it's because this is technically like a HTML representation of a PDF file. So I think MultiOn could technically be able to read it as well. They just need to, you know, tweak it. My code worked. Nice. Yeah, sweet. I thought so. Read, summarize a web page. Yeah, I think it can definitely do that. I did local llama r/local llama. I wonder if someone replied to my post. No, no one's replied to it. Oh wait, actually maybe they have. Whoa. Summarize the post on this page. Let me see my notifications. I got an upvote on it. Nice. It summarized the post on this page. Nice. Yes. Write to blanked up page. Yes, let's see if we can do this. Write an essay about dinosaurs on this page. Can it delete some of your posts? Good question. Posts on what? Oh, on Reddit? Yeah, we can try that. T-Rex is cool. Oh. It's... Just start writing the essay, please. Nice. This isn't an essay, but it's writing it, so that's a pass. Retro wanted me to see if I could delete a post. I think I'd probably have to say delete my comment AJ47. I'm sorry, but the current page does not provide options for deleting the comment. It can't. It can't. It doesn't know to click the 3 dots. If there was an obvious delete button, maybe you could. Plus Jobs has anyone here writing with Zig or Mojo? I've never even heard of either of those. What are they? Okay, what's next? Edit stored information. Okay, we'll go back to blank page. Change the text on this page to be about Stegosaurus instead of T-Rex. Let's see if we can edit text. Whoa, 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 it's flashing. Why is it flashing? Ooh, I think it's gonna do it. John Powell says, what model is it using? I'm not sure. I'd guess GPT-4, but I could be wrong. The text on the page has been successfully edited. No, it hasn't. Can we say no, it hasn't? Try again. Try again. Question for you. How difficult is it to set up something like massive.com? So how would it work? So you have your user details. I don't know if they do it manually or automatically. I don't think it would be too difficult. Like you'd have to check, like you'd have to set up a automator that like 50 jobs a week isn't that much. You could definitely do that manually. You just need a interface to, you know, get your user information. I think they have the partnerships with the, what do you call them? All the companies, so I don't know, they might give them some kind of backdoor or API for them to just like bulk apply like hundreds of people. LinkedIn, I don't think they use LinkedIn. I've seen some of the jobs use this like job.lever.co or some shit, but yeah, I'm not sure. Alvaro says, is this running locally or is it an extension? Yeah, it's a Chrome extension. So it's technically running that part locally, but it uses like a LLM, like probably GPT-4 or something. Okay, so I wasn't able to edit the info, so I'm gonna actually give that a no. Specific workflow training. Oh, here we go. Here, so it's using this Minion 1 model, but there's also GPT-4 or Mistral you can use. But the default was Minion 1, so I assume that one's like fine-tuned for this specific purpose. I don't think you can specify workflow. I doubt you could orchestrate swarms. Reddit. Let's go back on Reddit and clear this. We'll be like, pick a post and reply to one of the comments. Nope, I had a typo there, and I'm pretty sure it'll be able to understand the intention. Which post? The third one. Here are the comments. Reply to comment 1. Who is it gonna do it? Oh, the thing about this Minion model is it keeps on asking me for like opinions, which is good and bad. I'm just gonna be like, make something up. Have I tried Google Bard? Yes, I have. I didn't think it was nearly as good as GPT-4, so I stopped using it. But there was one period where Bard had the Vision API before OpenAI, and that was like one thing better about it, but yeah, that's not the case anymore. I feel deprived for random sentence. Would you like to submit? Where is it? Where is the random sentence? Huh? I don't see. Sure, here's a random sentence for your reply. The Greek brown fox jumps over. Edit it to be more unique and actually respond to. Edit it to actually respond to the contents of the post. Formulate a response after reading the post's contents. Bro, stop asking me for info. Which comment? Comment 1. Oh, here we go. It's replying to the comment. What would happen with long prompts instead? Like evade those questions? Yeah, I could do that if I specified like, don't ask me for any questions, just do the task. What would you like to reply? See, it keeps. Do not ask me for opinions. Just read the post and formulate a response using the information in the comment. I'm unable to read the post. I really want to fail this. I'm gonna fail it. Reddit reply to comment. Fail. Alright, what about TikTok? Reply to a comment on the first video on this page. There's no comments on the first video. Fail. Instagram. Wait, why is this still here? Reply to a comment on the first post on this page. This page, what it's going. No, that's a fail. Perplexity AI, surely. Surely it'll be able to do Perplexity AI. Search for the health benefits and concerns of caffeine and provide a summary. Looks like they use Webflow to make massive. Oh, really? That's interesting. What gave that away? Oh, great. it was able to do that pretty well. So I'll give that a pass. Okay. So Minion AI is okay. MultiOn is much better in my opinion. And yeah, I'll probably test. Wait, how many? I have 10 credits on Hyperwrite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's not enough. I need like at least 20 credits. So I will test out Hyperwrite later. I'm probably gonna remove Taxi. It's just not even worthy of being on this at the moment. I think. Does Minion have a website? Minion.ai. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Ooh, Alvaro says, could it do something in a no-code builder? That's an interesting question. So I think none of these tools can actually like click and drag. And I think a bunch of those no-code editors require click and dragging. But it might be able to like fill forms and like use a no-code editor that's just like, you know, form filling, button clicking. But I know that like a lot of them click and dragging is required to like position stuff, so I don't think it'll be good with that. Oh, you used builtwith.com. Hotjar, HubSpot. Where does it say Webflow? Webflow. Oh, that's just for the CMS though, maybe, right? Or do you reckon it's for the whole website? Because they also use React. Interesting. Cool guys, I hope you enjoyed that stream. I'm gonna update this to say Minion AI. I don't know if that's gonna change anything. MultiOn AI, yeah, MultiOn. It's actually MultiOn AI as well. Yeah, I'll stick around for another 5-10 minutes, browse some X. Otherwise, what is MultiOn? Web browsing agent, MultiOn. Damn, that's a nice apartment. Actually, want to browse local llama. If you guys have any questions, this is your last opportunity. The final 10 minutes of the stream. Oh, this is a cool UI. You get to expand parts of the text and it fills it in. That's very cool. A new benchmark for code generation. Taco. What's this? Paper, code, dataset, source tweet. What's the dataset on the paper? New benchmark. Question, you have a deck of cards, so it's pretty much a bunch of coding capability things. I'm gonna remove MultiOn here, it's a bit annoying. I mean, Minion. Very nice. I wonder if they've like designed it in a way that it's hard to be gamed. I guess just the sheer number of it is like one way, because there's only 1,000, it's not too many. Text to command processing is possible on a cheap CPU. Is that what we're calling it now? Text to command? Pretty much what Open Interpreter does. Tiny llama. What was the thing about Agency Swarm? I caught the stream late. Yeah, okay, I'll give another update on Agency Swarm. So I didn't use it. So there's this project, Agency Swarm. It actually looks like one of the most capable like web browsing AIs. It uses different agents that can like be in kind of like a group chat and browse the internet. There's one big negative to it that that's kind of the reason I haven't used it, and that is a lot of the test cases that I have and a lot of the things that I want to do with these kind of agents require me to be logged in. So whether that's using Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Google Docs, etc. And when you have a Chrome extension, it makes it really easy because you're already logged in, you already have a session, so you don't have to authenticate and you don't get asked if you're a bot very often. But with Agency Swarm, it's actually using Selenium, and that kind of raises a lot of flags. They say they use some type of chromium, selenium or something to kind of get around bots, but I'm pretty sure it's not too effective. Honestly, I haven't tried it, but yeah, you still have to log in every time. It's a bit annoying. But one of the biggest pros about, well, not the biggest, but one of the pros about it is because it's running on your file system, you can do a lot of cool things like saving files, editing files, uploading files and stuff. Yeah. A no-code builder managed by prompting. Yes, I think that exists. There's a few of those. Like, have I tried it? No, I haven't tried Agency Swarm. Maybe next stream. I think because like the thing is, I'll have to make new test cases to try with Agency Swarm because, as I said, the whole login and bot stuff is a bit annoying. So I'll have to find like use cases where, you know, you either don't have to be logged in or I don't mind logging in every time, and I know that yeah. No, that won't be an issue. All right. I think I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. Thank you so much for everyone who joined the live, commented, gifted, liked, shared, followed, etc. If you want to watch my lives back, if you don't know, the best place to do that is on YouTube in my lives tab. If you go here, if you click on live, you'll see all of my past live streams here. And yeah, I do edit these eventually, and I post shorts on here and TikTok and Instagram, so it's a bit easier and faster to consume it that way, but it does take a while. Like for instance, this video, let's try extract the system over a week ago. So you'll get the most latest information from my live streams, but it will be a bit slower and raw, not edited. The best way, the easiest way to consume it is through the shorts or TikTok or Instagram, but it's just probably going to be a week old. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a good day.